How to impress French people. Yeehaw! Right hand, just play this. Left hand, only 3 notes, just play this. All together, gon' sound like this. To fool everyone into believing you're a blues piano expert. Yeehaw! First, just play this with your left hand. Right hand, play any of these notes in any order. But we ain't done yet. Yeehaw! We gonna add 3 more notes right up here. How to make pretty girls fall in love with you every single time. Yeehaw! Right hand, we're just gonna play these here notes 8 times each. And then we gonna play these here notes 8 times each. But here's a big secret. We gonna play these romantic chords in the left hand. All together, gon' sound like this. How to impress everybody with only the black notes. Yeehaw! Right hand, just play this pattern over and over. Then we go play the exact same pattern, but on these 3 notes. Left hand so easy I could play it while milking Betsy. Just play each of these notes 3 times. All together, gon' sound like this. I done learned this simple piano pattern in less than a minute. Yeehaw! First things first, just play this with your right hand. Now you see this fire note right here? This one's my favorite. But first, left hand so easy, my cousin Bubba could even learn it. Just play these notes in this order. Alright, your friends gonna think you're real cool, but wait to see the look on their face when you hit them with the fire note. All we gonna do is play the normal pattern 4 times. But then we gonna swap out the number 4 with the fire note and play 4 more times. How to impress everybody at the party with the simple piano party trick. Yeehaw! First, you're gonna pretend like you suck at the piano and start playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, but play it with 1 finger so they think you're a beginner. Now everybody's gonna be laughing at you, even your cousin Bubba. But they ain't ready for the surprise, because then you suddenly change to this pattern. But play it fast so it sounds real nice. Now this'll make everybody stop paying attention to the warthog race and start paying attention to you. And that's when you add in the left hand. We're gonna use 4 simple shapes: A minor, F major, C major, and G major. Just play these, easy peasy. And once you start playing this, cousin Bubba might darn near have a heart attack. Then finally, in step 4, to blow everybody out of the water and make all the pretty girls fall in love with you, just play each shape 3 times. Gonna sound like this. Everybody's gonna be impressed when you can play this on piano. Yeehaw! First, we gonna fool everyone into thinking you gonna play Someone Like You by Adele. Just play these hair shapes going up, and then coming right back down. 4 times each. Left hand look hard, but it's actually easy. Just play C, then cross over and play C, 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 and then C. Then you play E, cross over, play B, 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 and it's lower B. Then finally you play F, cross over, and play F, F, E, C. And then you put it all together. This is so easy, my cousin Bubba learned it, and he's a dum-dum. Right hand, just play this. But to make it sound real nice so the ladies will love you, just play the power-up note with your thumb in between each note. Then for your left hand, just play this. Together it's gonna sound like this. How to fool everybody into thinking you're a blues piano expert. Yeehaw! Left hand's easier than my cousin Martha. Just play this. Right hand's gonna impress everybody. Just play these 3 notes in any order, always sounds good. But if you really want to sound like an expert hillbilly, add the first blues note right here. Then to add that twang-a-lang and blow everybody away, just add the second blues note on this B flat. Impress your friends and family with the simple piano melody. Yeehaw! Right hand's easier than my cousin Bertha. Just play this 3 times. Then the 4th time, play this. But play it faster than a warthog with his tail on fire. Left hand's easier than my cousin Bertha after a few drinks. Just play this. Then put them hands together, gon' sound like this.